"Who are you?" said the deer. The jackal replied, "I am Shudra Buddhi the jackal. I live in this forest all by myself. I have neither friend nor relation." The deer asked the jackal who he was. The jackal responded that he was Shudra Buddhi the jackal, and mentioned that he lived in that forest all by himself, having neither friend nor relation. One summer, some elephants were very much distressed by the heat and said to their leader, "We are absolutely perishing for want of water. The smaller animals have bathing places, but we have none. What are we to do? Where are we to go?" The elephants complained to their leader that they were absolutely perishing due to the heat, and expressed their distress over the lack of water. They mentioned that while smaller animals had bathing places, they had none, and wondered what they should do and where they should go. When the king saw him coming, he said, "Pray, who are you and what do you want?" The rabbit said, "I am an ambassador from His Majesty Chandra the Moon." The elephant king replied, "Declare your errand." Upon seeing him coming, the king inquired who he was and what he wanted. The rabbit responded that he was an ambassador from His Majesty Chandra the Moon. The elephant king then requested him to declare his errand. A young Raja once said to his Wazir, "How is it that I am so often ill? I take great care of myself. I never go out in the rain. I wear warm clothes. I eat good food. Yet I am always catching cold or getting fever." A young Raja once inquired of his Vizier how it was that he was often ill, despite taking great care of himself. He mentioned that he never went out in the rain, wore warm clothes, and ate good food, yet still frequently caught cold or got fevers. "My sons," said he, "a great treasure lies hidden in the estate I am about to leave you." "Where is it hid?" said the sons. "I am about to leave you," said the old man, "but you must dig for it." The old man informed his sons that a great treasure lay hidden in the estate. He was about to leave them. When the sons asked where it was hidden, he responded that he was about to leave them, but they would need to dig for it. "How very well you speak French," Lady Grizzle said. "I ought to know it." Becky modestly said, "I taught it in a school, and my mother was a French woman." Lady Grizzle complimented Becky on her excellent French-speaking skills, to which Becky modestly replied that she ought to know it since she taught it in a school and her mother was a French woman. "What are you going to do with the tinder box?" asked the soldier. "That's no business of yours," said the witch. You have got the money. Give me my tinder box. The soldier inquired about the witch's plans with the tinder box. The witch retorted that it was none of his business, insisting that he had received his money and should give her the tinder box. My name is No Man, said Ulysses. My kinsmen and friends in my own country call me No Man. Then said the Cyclops, this is the kindness I will show thee, No Man. I will eat the last of all thy friends. Ulysses stated that his name was No Man and mentioned that his kinsmen and friends in his own country called him No Man. The Cyclops then remarked that the kindness he would show to No Man was to eat him last of all his friends.